The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is finally out, and it's already turning heads. This tiny camera is built for creators who want power and portability in one package. Whether you're a vlogger or traveler, or just someone who loves recording life's moments, this camera could be your next favorite tool. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, but packed with features that deliver professional results. It promises better image quality, smoother stabilization, and smarter controls, so you can focus more on creating and less on settings. The big question is, how much of an upgrade is it really from the Pocket 3? Does it bring something new, or is it just a slightly improved version of what we already had? In this video, we're going to test its performance, check the camera features, and talk about what it's really like to use it every day. So grab your gear, and let's see if the Osmo Pocket 4 lives up to the hype or not. Using the Osmo Pocket 4 is a breeze, even if you've never used a camera like this before. It's designed to be simple and user-friendly, so anyone can pick it up and start filming in minutes. The touchscreen feels smooth and responsive, and the menus are easy to swipe through. All the main features are just a tap away, so there's no need to dig through confusing settings. Plus, the physical buttons give you quick control when you need it, which comes in handy during fast shoots. The MyO app helps you even more because it comes with tutorials, tips, and smart controls that sync easily with your camera. You can adjust settings, review your clips, or even edit your footage right from your phone. This means you can get the most out of the Pocket 4 without needing a computer or extra gear. It's all about making the shooting process faster and more fun. When you first hold the camera, you'll notice how light and compact it is. The design is smooth and clean with a shape that fits nicely in your hand. It's smaller than the Pocket 3 and even easier to carry around, whether it's in your bag or your pocket. The metal body gives it a solid feel, so it doesn't feel cheap, and it holds up well to everyday use. It even has a water-resistant build, so you don't have to worry if it starts drizzling during your shoot. Stabilization is one of the biggest reasons to get this camera, and DJI has nailed it again. The Pocket 4 uses a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, and it keeps your footage steady no matter how much you move. Whether you're walking through the street, jogging in the park, or filming your pet running around, the gimbal works like magic to smooth out the motion. The updated Sport mode adds faster subject tracking, which helps you keep fast-moving people or objects in the frame without jitter. Battery life also gets a thumbs up because you can record for up to 140 minutes on a single charge. That's more than enough for most day shoots or vlogs. And if you do need to recharge, the fast charging support gets you back up quickly, so you won't miss any action. This is a real plus when you're out filming and don't have time to stop and wait. Now let's talk about the camera itself. This little device comes with a 1-inch sensor, and it makes a big difference in image quality. You can shoot in 4K at up to 120 frames per second, which means your slow motion shots look super smooth and sharp. The footage is bright, colorful, and full of detail, even in bright daylight or mixed lighting situations. The HDR mode also works well to balance out shadows and highlights, so nothing looks blown out or too dark. Photo lovers will also be happy because it captures still images at 20 megapixels, and they look clean and rich in detail. You can use this camera for travel photos, selfies, or even casual portraits, and the results are surprisingly good. It handles different lighting conditions well, so you don't have to worry too much about exposure or blur. Low light performance is better than before thanks to the improved night mode and updated image processing. If you're shooting indoors at night or in darker spaces, your videos will still look usable and sharp with less noise and better color. The upgraded algorithm helps bring out the details without making things look overly processed. So now you can capture those cozy evening moments without needing extra lights or equipment. Audio is clear too, with built-in microphones that capture sound from your surroundings with good clarity. It's great for talking to the camera or recording natural background audio while you shoot. And if you want to improve your audio further, you can pair it with DJI's optional wireless mic system for even better sound. Overall, the Osmo Pocket 4 is built to handle everyday filming with ease. It's quick to set up, simple to use, and packed with powerful tools that make your content look more polished and professional without adding extra weight to your gear bag. And there you have it, the full scoop on what we know so far about the DJI Osmo 360. From immersive 8K video to intelligent tracking and top-notch stabilization, this camera might just shake up the 360 degrees world. With its sleek design, smart features, and trusted DJI engineering, it looks like a powerful new tool for creators who want to push their content further. We're definitely excited to see the final version and how it measures up against the current competition. Whether you're upgrading your gear or just starting out in immersive content, the Osmo 360 is one to keep on your radar. Thanks for tuning into Factic. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like and let us know what you think in the comments. Could DJI really dominate the 360 space? Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you stay in the loop with all the latest camera tech and gear guides. Until next time, keep filming, keep exploring, and stay creative with Factic. See you soon.